Good morning or afternoon. It's so close, it's hard to know what to say. But this is Tuesday, February 2nd, and I am going to just go through the mail merge. So the rest of the assignment should be pretty easy to do, but the mail merge is kind of difficult and it is on the test. So it's important that you practice this a couple times. Just some of the steps are on the exam, I believe. So I am looking at the instructions for homework 3, chapter 3, and I am on number 16. So it says press Control N to open a new blank Word document. So I did that, Control N, and you can see right up here it says document. Doesn't matter if it's 2, 1, 12, doesn't matter. As long as it says document Word, because we are going to merge this into a document that will say labels, and that's why it's important that you have this. So the next step, it says in the new blank Word document, start the step-by-step mail merge process. So we're going to go mailings, and we're going to go start mail merge, and we're going to go step by step. And we're just going to follow these steps. So we're going to do labels, and down here is where you move on. So we're going to go to the next one, and label options. And we want Avery, US letter, and then we want the 5160. So you just have to look for it. 5160, easy peel. You have to have that one, that's important. And say okay. And now we're going to select our recipients, and that's the data file we downloaded. Now the important thing about this is if you download this file and you do it and you mess up, you actually have to go back, delete it, and restart your machine and download it again. It's a database system and it won't work. So now we're going to go look for it. Now I put mine in here under Word, Unit 3, and there you can see it says labels. And they're going to come in. I'm just going to click this OK. So it comes in and it looks like this. Okay. And we're going to go next. And we're going to add an address block. And that we like this way it is. But what we're going to add here is under 2, we want this to say unit. So maybe it's an apartment. So you would put the address and then you would put apartment 12. And so that's what that is. So we're going to say OK and OK. And now we have to update. So now we're going to preview these labels. Looks pretty good. It also says change the spacing. So we're going to click right there. We're going to go home. We're going to go right here to line spacing options. And right here before we're going to put 3 point. Okay, 3 point. You can't click down. You have to manually type it in. Say OK. And then we're going to go right here and complete the merge. But you have to click edit individual. If you miss this part, it won't be right. So you click that, merge them all, say OK, and presto bango, look what we have. Labels 1. So we went from the Word document to label 1 document. And then so for the assignment, you're just going to highlight this row right there, do a right click, go copy, do a right click in the other document, and paste it, and there you go. So that is how you do a mail merge. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I'm in meetings all this afternoon and Thursday afternoon, but I have tomorrow. So if you have any questions, now I'm not going to count these 2 assignments because everybody's sort of struggling with it. So but you have to do them, but and upload them so that you will get just credit for having completed them. So the main thing is that you are going to fix the mail merge. You're going to practice on the mail merge, and you can do that. So have a fantastic day. Don't forget that in the in my IT lab there is a practice test that's open now for Word. It's unlimited. You can take it as many times as you want, and you can use the help, the assistant, learning assistant. So it'll read it to you, it'll show it to you, and you can practice. So if there's anything you don't understand, do them over and over until you understand perfectly. So have a fantastic day, and I hope to talk to you soon.